In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QuickBooks Online account from the Pricing and Plan selection screen. We'll move step by step so you can follow along confidently from a fresh browser window all the way to your new dashboard. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official QuickBooks Online website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and click Pricing. This takes you to the Plan Comparison area. Scroll until you see the section labeled Find a Plan That's Right for You. Here, you'll see the 4 plans: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. Take a moment to review the brief descriptions and pricing. In general, Simple Start covers basic bookkeeping. Essentials adds features like bill management. Plus includes more robust tools for projects and inventory. And Advanced is designed for larger teams with deeper reporting. Choose the plan that fits your needs today. You can usually upgrade later if your business grows. Under the plan you want, click Choose Plan. If a small window pops up that says, Tell us what best describes you, select Business. This helps QuickBooks tailor the next screens to a typical business setup. You'll then move to Step 1. Select Plan. This is simply a confirmation page. Check that the plan name and price match what you intended. When it looks right, proceed to Step 2. Checkout. On the checkout screen, you'll be prompted to create your account. Enter your email address, ideally a work email you can access easily, and double-check for typos. Next, create and confirm your password. Choose something strong and unique that you'll remember, and store it securely. Some accounts use multi-factor sign-in. Be prepared for that. Continue filling in the required account details displayed on the checkout page. These fields help set up your profile and billing so your subscription activates without issues. Use your legal business name and address as they appear on official documents to avoid verification hiccups later. Depending on your region, you may see taxes or currency displayed. That's normal. Take a minute to read any promotional details so you know when billing starts and what's included. When everything is complete, finish the sign-up. QuickBooks will process your information and then open your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Take a moment to note the clean layout. From here, you can start connecting accounts, adding customers, and exploring features based on the plan you selected. You should also receive a confirmation email. Save it for your records. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.